Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video today. I hope you guys are doing well, you are healthy and safe at your home. I wish and pray always. So without any further ado, let's just get started. In today's video, we will be talking about the past perfect continuous tense. In the previous classes, in the previous class, we have done the explanation regarding the past perfect continuous tense. In today's class we will be doing the exercises that is related to the past perfect continuous tense, so that you may know your knowledge better and apply the uses and formula together and make good sentences. So if you have missed out the video of the explanation, you can see in the description box. Okay, so in the first exercise you have to fill in the blanks using the past perfect continuous tense form of verbs that's given in the bracket. Saurabh dashed since Christmas to buy a new car. So what is the basic formula structure that I told you? Had will be used with both singular and plural subjects, okay, accompanied by been, then verb's first form and ing, something that had been doing. So Saurabh, the helping verb is save. Save ko jayega saving. Saurabh had been saving since Christmas to buy a car. They dashed rumors for some time when the news came. They had been hearing the rumors for some time when the news came. Manisha dashed for 10 hours when I woke her. So Manisha 10 घंटे से सो रही थी जब मैंने उसे उठाया. तो Manisha had been sleeping for 10 hours when I woke her. Preet dashed at the sculpture for about 2 minutes when he realized why it looked familiar. So Preet had been working. Okay, Preet had been working at the sculpture for about 2 minutes when he realized that it looked familiar. I dashed for an hour when I heard a sound in the gearbox. I had been driving. The principal called me to the office because I dashed not classes. It's a negative sentence. I had not been attending classes. When I visited Pune, Sagar had been teaching there for a year. Saina dashed from typhoid when she was interviewed. So Saina had been suffering from typhoid when she was interviewed. So in the second exercise, you have to rewrite the following sentences in its negative form. Okay, very easy. Had plus not plus been plus verb 1 plus ing. Okay, Junaid had been writing since the age of 10. Now you have to tell that something that had not been happening. So Junaid had not been writing since the age of 10. I had been helping my mother every day. I had not been helping my mother every day. He had been preparing for the speech the whole day. He had not been preparing the speech for the whole day. The baby had been crying for an hour. The baby had not been crying for an hour. We'd been trying to call them for a long time. We had not been trying to call them for a long time. Ram had been swimming for the last hour. Ram has not been swimming for the last hour. Rewrite the following sentences in the interrogative form. Okay. Now, polythene bags, you have to write these in the interrogative form, and we have to make those interrogatives which ask yes no questions, right? So polythene bags had been lying there the whole day. So you have to ask it's very easy. When you just exchange the subject with the helping verb, you get the interrogative which are made from helping verb. So had the polythene bags been lying the whole day? Or if you want to ask a question that's coming from full flesh and reasonable answer, you have to skip the subject. What had been lying there the whole day? When the subject kind of misses. Manoj had been applying for jobs for the last 1 year. Had Manoj, you have to swap. Had Manoj been applying for the jobs for the last year? Had plus subject plus been plus verb first form and then complementaries in other words, etc. Okay, and you have to put a question mark as it is an interrogative sentence. Look at sentence number 3. The workers had been demanding the better pay scales for the long time. Had the workers been demanding the better pay scales for a long time? Question mark. Neha had been working the whole night. So had Neha been working the whole night? Ankit had been driving in the mountains for 6 hours. Something that Ankit had been doing for the last hour. So you have to now ask a question. So how will you frame a question? Had Ankit been driving the mountains for 6 hours? The players had been practicing hard for the final match. Had the players been practicing hard for the final match? Now you have to rewrite the following sentences in the affirmative form. These sentences are interrogatives and you have to convert these into affirmative structure. Had the saint been sitting in the same position for the last 2 hours? So you have to change this into the affirmative form, and very easy, you have to exchange the subject first from the subject to its helping verb, and then in the punctuation instead of the question mark you have to write a full stop as it is an affirmative sentence. Okay, so the saint had been sitting in the same position for the last 2 days. Have they been watching television since morning? They have been watching television since morning. Had they been playing football for 2 hours? They had been playing football for 2 hours. They had been waiting for their hero to arrive since morning. So, had they been waiting for their hero to arrive since morning will be changed into they had been waiting for the hero to arrive since morning. Had the women been standing in the queues since last night? The women had been standing in the queues since last night. So in the question you have to write question mark. Okay, here. Had Vinod been trying to fix this all day? So Vinod had been trying to fix this all day. Now in the next exercise you have to complete the given conversation using the past perfect continuous form of verb. So there is a talk between Rupali and Vishal. Let's see what they have to say. So Rupali says, how was your job interview? So maybe Vishal had been, had been working for his job or something like that. Now she's asking that how was your job interview? Oh, I felt terribly nervous. Okay, now you have to put these verbs and subject amalgamated into a sentence which shows that the structure is in past perfect continuous tense. So I had been worrying. I'd been worrying it about all week. And I was tired because I had been working. I was tired because I had been working on my assignment the night before. Okay, so I had not been looking forward to the interview at all. So what happened? The man interviewing me was half an hour late because he had been dealing with an unexpected problem. He said I had been waiting for ages and I got even more nervous. How did the interview go? Well, I tried to sound confident. I had been reading a book that said that what you have to do in the job interview, but I'm not sure I gave the right answers. So yes guys, that was all for the exercise of the past perfect continuous tense. Before leaving, if you are new here, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Love you all.